Today, we're talking about the top estate planning mistakes. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, where we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value estate planning and probate administration services. If you're seeking help in either estate planning or administrative services, here in New York or New Jersey, you can reach us for a free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. And speaking of value, we are here to educate everyone on a regular basis. So please ask questions and share so together we can help some folks along the way. I'm going to rattle off these top 8 that I've put together today with just a little insight. And if you have questions, let us know. So first one, top estate planning mistake, not doing one. Anybody over the age of 18 needs some type of plan. Yes, 18, once you reach an adult. Number 2, relying on DIY forms without legal support. I can tell you they are never done right. Either they're signed incorrectly, they don't have the proper information, they don't have the right witnesses, they don't have the right flexibility. Just not the way to go. And we've tested it. Number 3, not updating your plan as life shifts. So if we are being cognizant and starting our plan early, as soon as we enter adulthood and getting something in order, well, as time goes on, our life grows and changes, and so should our plan. You may need different things, or you're going to designate different folks. That's just the way it is. Life changes, as does your estate plan. Naming only one person in each role of responsibility. Now, if that person's not around, you're starting all over again, and that's assuming that you have the capacity to create something new. Number 5, naming too many people at once. This can create an administrative nightmare. Logistics or just coordination, it creates just an uncomfortable and cumbersome scenario in trying to take care of things later. Not considering additional protections that are available to you and your family. Now, it's important in this respect to certainly sit down with local counsel and talk about what your options are. Ask all the questions. Listen to these videos and learn, and ask questions that you think relate to you and your family. For instance, do you want your assets going outright to your kids? Wouldn't be my preference. Do you want it going at particular ages? Still not my preference. Would you rather they have lifetime creditor protection? And ask about it. All right. You don't know what you don't know until you know it. You got to ask the questions to find out, or listen to more of these videos. Number 7, thinking an estate plan is just a will. Okay. I've heard that a lot. And often in an initial meeting where someone has said that, they are typically, by the end of that conference, totally blown away by all the ways that we can insulate them as individuals, protect their loved ones, and somehow create some protection for their assets as well. And that's all through, planning that's outside of the last will and testament. Okay, so again, education is key here. Your estate plan is not just a will. And number 8, and this is maybe a new sort of outside concept for folks, is to not forget that planning, or the lack thereof, in the generations that surround you do impact you as well, right? If your adult child at 18, 19, 20 years old is in college and something happens to them and they haven't designated you as their agent, you're going to run into frustration and difficulty in helping that adult child, right? Or if your parents haven't set up their plan properly, well, all the issues or lack of planning, that trickles down to you as their child, unless you've been disinherited. Can't help you there. But remember that planning or lack thereof for those generations around you also impacts you. So those are my top 8. I showed you 9, sorry. Top 8 estate planning mistakes. Again, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We are an estate planning firm in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. You can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com should you need a free consultation relative to these areas, specifically in New York and New Jersey. We hope you've learned something new here today. Please don't forget to share, and take care.